Hello everyone. Nowadays, I have seen so many parents are concerned more about their kids' screen time. Actually, screen time negatively impacts the way the brain works and it increases the loneliness, depression, and anxiety. And it is also causing many eye problems to small kids also. Too much screen time causes obesity, irregular sleep, behavioral problems, violence, less time for play. Now I am showing the 6 gifts that may actually help kids cut down on screen time. First one is Abacus. Do you know how Abacus is helping in reducing the screen time? Yes, by improving their focus and concentration. Regular practice with the Abacus helps children become quicker at mental calculations. I purchased this abacus online only. Please see the link in the description if you want to purchase. I got it as a combo of two abacus. One is colorful and one is maroon one. At very less price also. If anybody wants to learn abacus, so comment abacus in the comment section so that I will start abacus classes. Second gift I am going to give my daughter is basketball, home basketball kit. Do you know how basketball can be beneficial for kids? Yes, it in many ways, including physical development, motor skills, social skills, mental development, ankle stability. This basketball kit comes with tiger theme board, net, one basket ring, and one ball with air filling pins. These are the air filling pins. This basketball you can easily install anywhere in your home wall or windows. It comes with a hook that you can easily fit over doors or on walls. The quality of the board and ring is very sturdy. The next gift is a set of storybooks which includes 108 Mahabharata stories from Maple Kids, 108 fairy tales from Maple Kids, 108 Ramayana stories from Maple Kids, and also slokas and mantras book. And this book also includes activities for kids also. Once check, I am showing this. See, after every sloka they have given the meaning and also activity on that sloka. Actually, there are several ways to help kids overcome screen time by reading books, including make reading fun, create a reading routine, encourage reading, limit devices, and make books accessible. It might be before bedtime or on a weekend afternoon. Ramayana and Mahabharata are the ancient epics that can help kids learn about life lessons, culture, and history. This gift also includes a book about Bhagavad Gita. This book was written by a small 4-year-old kid, Bhakti Bhagavat. It includes 101 slokas with their meanings in it. The price of this book is 299 rupees. See, inside I am showing how. See the sloka with its meaning in Hindi and also in English. The next gift is a classic toy gun with foam bullets. This classic toy gun is made of superior plastic and accompanied with 10 soft foam bullets. These bullets are not at all harmful and totally safe for our kids. This gun is very easy to operate. Load the soft bullets from the front muzzle, pull the lever and at the back, trigger and fire. See, I'm showing here in the video. These are very soft. We can load the bullets like this. After that we only have to keep the bullet here. See how easily it is operating. The build quality of the gun is really very good. The last gift comes to art and crafts, that is paper quilling. I think my daughter will like this very much among all the gifts. This kit contains a quilling book, these all are the quilling tools, pencils, these are the quilling strips, 400 strips we got. See, these all are the quilling strips. This is the dome. This is the quilling comb. Toothpicks. And with this kit we got also the earring kit. We can make earrings. That means kids can make earrings with this, stones, earring kit, everything. We can make many cards, birthday cards or rakis using this kit. We can use this craft DIY kit to create special things and crafts also. I think please do comment and like my video and also subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you.